We are being told that they will certainly be alone, only with their cats, feeding cats in the alley, sitting at night, at dark, in your living room, really, really miserable life. And I should say, it might happen. I don't want to deny it. But it will not happen for all the women who don't want to be mothers. And it creates a lot of fear within young women, because if this is the only image that you have in mind, and I was interviewed a lot on television, on radio, on newspapers, and people are attacking me from any dimension, every aspect you can think about. People wrote me in person, just like, commit a suicide. What essence in life do you have if you don't want to be a mother? Just die. I sometimes wake up in the morning and I say to myself, the world is crazy. What happened? I just don't want to be a mother.